Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to use Nearby Friends feature in Facebook. From this feature you can know which friend is now near to you and you can connect to him. Go to the Facebook app from your apps list. Tap on the three horizontal line from the top right corner. Scroll down and find the option Nearby Friends. Tap on this. Tap on the button Turn On. This is the search result for your nearby friends. This friend was 1 kilometer near to you 18 minutes ago. You can still send him a message from here. From now on, whenever any of your Facebook friend is near to you, it will show a notification in your Facebook. So in this way, you can use Nearby Friends feature in Facebook. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.